Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a very different type of unboxing to share with you, and it's a knicker subscription. This is how it arrives in the post, so in a big white envelope with my dress on the side there. It's called Knotty Knickers. So if you know everything there is to know about Knotty Knickers and you're just curious in seeing my underwear, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. But if you're interested in learning a little bit more about it, then carry on watching. So Knotty Knickers is an underwear subscription. It's based in Toronto, Canada. They ship to North America and the UK. Now it does say on their website that if you are out of those countries and you're interested in receiving the subscription, then to email them. So it's worth trying to see if they will ship you some knickers to your own country. It comes in 3 different packages. You've got the naughty package, which is just thongs only. You've got the nice package, which are no thongs, or you've got the sugar and spice, which is a mix of both. You can opt for 1 pair of knickers, which will cost you £3.99, 2 pairs of knickers, which will cost you £6.99, or what I have done, 3 pairs of knickers, which will cost you £9.99. Now shipping to the UK was an additional £2. So for 3 knickers and shipping, it cost me £11.99 altogether, and no custom charges. Now they do accept requests for style, prints and colours, so if you were to email them before your shipping is get sent out to you, then I'm sure that they'll be able to accommodate your requests. So besides the thong package, the other types of underwear that you'll receive either in the nice package or the sugar and spice package are cheekies, hipsters, bikinis, boy shorts and briefs. The sizing ranges from a UK size 4 to a UK size 28, which I thought was brilliant. They go into extra small, small, large, medium, you know, you get my drift. So I've gone for a 14 to 16 because the next size up would have been 18 to 20, and I like my underwear to be a bit snug. If there was a 16 to an 18, I would have gone for that. I rather knickers that were a little bit on the tight side than knickers that I'm constantly having to hoik up all the time. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I paid for this subscription myself, and it was thanks to one of you lovely lot that messaged me to let me know about Knotty Knickers, and I'm really sorry, I can't remember who it was. Sometimes when I'm editing on the computer, I'll have little pop-up messages like from you lot, like commenting on my videos, so sometimes, you know, I'll have a brief look, but then I don't always get back to replying them. I do try to reply to a lot of your messages, but there might be a few that I miss. But yeah, that's where I saw it. It popped up and I thought Knotty Knickers, and it just stuck in my mind, so I had to get it. All links and everything related to the subscription I'll pop down below, so underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So before I show you my knickers, I'm just going to put it out there and tell you this is not going to be a try on. You do not want to see me in my knickers, or I don't know, there might be some of you that might want to, but it's not going to happen. I am not going to get that up close and personal with you. So I'll show you what they like and I'll tell you what they like, and I will try them on and I'll give you my thoughts. So that's all that comes in the package. Is the knickers. Based on presentation, I think it's a bit poor, in all honesty. I was really underwhelmed when I received it. I was thinking, Toronto, where on earth is this packet? What have I bought from Toronto? Yeah, I soon found out that it was my knickers. I can see how sending it through an envelope like this is easy. You know, it's simple, it's easy, it's lightweight, so no bulky parcels to send off, etc. But I don't know. I just feel like even though they're individually packed, you know, and they've got the Knotty Knickers written on there, I think it would have been a little bit more special. Say for instance you had a little, like a drawstring bag, you know. I'm thinking of another subscription box called Empress Mimi, and yeah, it's just really not, well, sometimes you get a little bag, but sometimes you get a box there. I just thought just having these in a plain white envelope, there is no excitement value there whatsoever. Or even a little letter. There's nothing in there. There is no letter to say, hi Knotty Knickers subscriber, or Claire, or whatever's easier. Thanks for subscribing. We really hope you enjoy your knickers, and, you know, a bit of bump about Knotty Knickers, and look forward to sending you more in the future, or here's a discount code to share with your friends. There's nothing like that. It was just literally these inside this white envelope. I won't say any more. I won't say any more because the main thing is the knickers and the value for money, isn't it? So yeah. So let's show you my favourites first. It's got my size on there. So this is a 14 to 16. And it just says Knotty Knickers, and on the back here it's got hashtag get knotty, and please recycle this bag. This bag is made from post-consumer recycled materials. Now these are gorgeous. These are so soft. They are so lovely. I love this colour. It's like a very bright pink. But yeah, the finish is okay. There's a little bit of fraying. You might be able to see there. Not too bad. It's not too bad. But yeah, I think they're really nice quality. It's a lovely stretch. Really nice little bow detail there. And the gusset there. It's lined. So yeah, no, it's a really nice pair of knickers. It's just got Knotty Knickers on the side there. I really like those. I really like those. I think they're really cute. Next, got a pair of nude knickers. So they are pretty. I love the nude. But there's a lot of fraying going on there. Can you see? Oh, that's just come off. Can you see there? It's just come off the top there. There's a lot of loose frays there. The sort of type of knickers that I'd find in Primark then. Yeah, so, you know, you pay a couple of pounds for them, or like £1.99. Got a few little frays going on here, but I haven't washed them or anything yet. But yeah, then I would say these in particular are amazing quality. They look a little bit cheaply made, and I just hope no fatty bits will be sticking out the sides there. But then again, that's my fault for going for a large instead of an extra large. They're a cheeky pair of knickers, so a lot of bottom will be on show when I wear these. But they're pretty. I do like them. But yeah, it's like a pinky nude blush. But I just thought I'd mention about the little frays there. But yeah, they're alright. I do like them. And then lastly, I don't like these at all. I love the colour. It's really pretty. Really pretty. And they're just like bikinis, I'd say. So, and they've got the little ruffles there. So it might be prettier on. I'm just not keen on this. But yeah. Okay, right, I'm going to try them on and then I'll be back. I've just tried them on and my favourites are these. These are super comfy. They just look so cute, really cute. I'd love to get a couple of these all in different colours. They're like little boy shorts they are, but I really do like them. Or hipsters? I don't know, what are they? I don't know, see, it should say, I should have a little leaflet inside. You've got in your September or October Knotty Knickers package a pair of boy shorts, a pair of cheekies, and a pair of hipsters maybe? Oh, I don't know. Anyway, I really love those. I think they're gorgeous. These fit me fine, enough stretch in them. So they fit me fine and I will be wearing them. I just don't like this meshy type material, but they're okay. I will use them. Now these didn't suit me at all, unfortunately. I think if they didn't have these straps, I think it would have been fine. I would have liked them. It's as expected. It's a little bit tight on my hips. And these were folding over, so they were doing that. They were just bunching up like that, as opposed to like a nice flat side, you know? It probably would have looked much better, a bigger size. Overall, I do think it's a really nice subscription, but it's not one that I would do regularly. Can you imagine subscribing for 3 pairs of knickers once a month? How many knickers is that? 36 pairs of knickers? Maybe do it for a year and then you'll be sorted then for the next couple of years or so. But it can be hit and miss, as I've just shown you, you know. Gorgeous pair of knickers, love these. These are, yeah, they're okay. I will wear those, but I'm not sure what I'll do with those ones. I'll wait until I lose a couple of pounds maybe, which is on the cards. Something I want to do. It is something I want to do. I've cancelled my subscription. I just wanted to try it to see what it's like, and then I wanted to show you and to see what you think of it as well. So all your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. Also, if you already subscribe to Knotty Knickers, I'd love to hear your experience of the subscription as well. It's nice, I'm glad I did it. The inside of the envelope could be more exciting, and I'm going to leave it like that. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.